Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, we will present a story about Tony and Ega who steal mangoes from farmer. This video is created for the English course taught by Mr. Muhammad Husnu MPD. Before we continue with the story, allow us to introduce ourselves. We are students from Hamzah Madi University, major in Sociology, Faculty of Social and Economic Science. We hope you enjoy our video. Thank you everyone. Selamat menonton.
There are two people, Tony and Ega, play football in the court. Suddenly, Tony stop play football. Ega say, "Why you stop play football, Tony?" Tony answer, "I stop play football because I feel hungry." Ega say, "Oh, you hungry?" Tony say, "Ega, let's go to market because I feel hungry." Ega invite Tony to Pancor Market. Tony say, "Yes, let's go." After that, Tony and Ega slowly to Pancor Market.
Tony say, "Ga, look at the mango tree." Ega say, "Yes, Ton, I look at the mango tree." Tony attack to mango and Ega under. Farmer come and farmer say, "Hey, what are you doing stealing my mangoes?" "I'm sorry, sir. We only took two." Farmer say, "Only two? That's stealing. Bring your parents here tomorrow." Tony say, "Yes, farmer." Ega say, "We promise we'll come, farmer."
After that, Tony and Ega run to school nervously. Tony and Ega at school talks to his friend. Teguh asks, "Ega, why do you look so pale?" Ega answer, "I and Tony get caught picking farmer's mango." Teguh say, "Wow, then what happened?" Ega answer, "I and Tony, he told us to come with our parents tomorrow." Teguh say, "I'm sure your mom will be real mad." Ega answer, "Yeah, that's what I'm scared of." After that, Tony and Ega went from homeschool. Tony went home on his motorcycle and suddenly Ega came over. Ega say, "Tony, can I go home with you?" Tony answer, "Oh, okay, let's go." Then Tony and Ega went home together. Tony gave Ega a ride home. When they arrived in front of Ega's house, Tony stopped motorcycle and Ega get out. Ega say, "Tony, thank you for giving me a ride home." Tony answer, "Yeah, you are welcome."
Ega wanted to invite Tony inside. Ega say, "Tony, don't you want to come in for a bit?" Tony say, "Not this time. I want to go home. My parents are waiting for me." Ega say, "Oh, alright." then take care on your way home. Tony answered, okay, thank you.
After Tony went home, Ega immediately knocked on the door. Ega said, Assalamualaikum. Mother Ega answered, Waalaikumsalam. Ega went inside the house and kissed his mother's hand. After that, he told her about what happened earlier. Ega said, Mom, I want to talk. Mother Ega answered, Yes, Ega. What do you want to talk about? Ega said, Mom, we were told to go to farmer house. Mother Ega answered, What for? Ega answered, Because earlier Tony and I got caught picking mangoes from his tree.
Mother Ega was shocked. Mother Ega said, what? You still mangoes? You still mango with Tony? That's not a good thing to do. I never taught you to steal. Ega answered, Yes, Mom, I'm sorry. I know I was wrong. I won't do it again. Mother Ega said, Alright then, I will go tree with you tomorrow. But you must never do something again. Okay. Ega answered, Yes, Mom. Thank you for going with me. And I promise I won't do it again. Mom Ega say, You are welcome. Now go rest. Ega answered, Okay, Mom. I'll go to my room. After that, Ega went to his room and rested.
When Tony arrived home, he stopped his motorcycle. Tony knocked on the door. Tony said, Assalamualaikum. Mother and father Tony answered, Waalaikumsalam. Tony entered the yard and parked his motorcycle in the garage. Tony out to motorcycle.
Udah.
After that, putting it away. He went inside and greeted his parents respectfully. Then Tony decided to tell them about what had happened earlier. Tony said, Mother, Father, I want to talk. Mother and Father Tony answered, What do you want to talk about? Tony said, I and Ega picked mangoes from the farmer tree. Because of that, you both are asked to come to the farmer house tomorrow.
Mother and Father Tony were shocked. Mother and Father Tony answered, What? You steal mangoes from the farmer? We never taught you to do something like that. Tony said, Yes, I'm sorry. I won't do it again. But I hope Mother and Father can come with me tomorrow to apologize to the farmer. Mother and Father Tony answered, Okay, we will go with you tomorrow. Tony say, Thank you, Mother and Father. Mother and Father Tony answered, You are welcome. Mother Tony say, alright, you should rest now. Tony answer, okay mom, I'm going to rest. After that, Tony went to his room to rest.
After that, Tony and Ega arrived the coffee shop. Tony stopped the motorcycle. Tony and Ega get off the bike. Then Tony looked for a place to sit. And after finding a seat, they sit down. Ega, will your mother to tomorrow to farmer house? Ega answer, yes, my mother go tomorrow. Ega say, how about you? Will your parents go tomorrow? Tony answer, yes, my mother and father will go tomorrow. After Tony and Ega talk about what happened at school and other things, they got ready to go home because it was getting late. Tony say, Ega, let's go home. It's already night. My parents will worry. Ega answer, oh yeah, let's go home, Tony. I'm also afraid my mother will lock me for later. Tony say, alright, let's go. Ega answer, let's go. After that, Tony and Ega went home from coffee shop by motorcycle. Before going home, Tony took Ega to his house first. When they arrived at Ega house, Tony stopped the motorcycle and Ega get off the bike. Ega said, thank you, Tony, for taking me home. Tony answered, you are welcome. Ega said, Tony, don't you want to come inside for a while? Tony answered, no need, maybe next time. Ega say, okay, then be careful. Tony answered, okay, thank you. After that, Ega went straight into his house and knocked on the door. Ega say, Assalamualaikum. Mother Ega answered, Waalaikumsalam. Mother Ega say, where is Tony? Where is Tony? Ega answered, Tony went home directly. Mom, because it's already late. Mother Ega say, oh, alright then. Go take a shower and rest. Ega answered, okay mom, thank you. I am going to my room to rest. Mother Ega say, yes. After that, Ega went to his room to take a shower and rest.
Meanwhile, Tony arrived home and parked his motorcycle in the garage. After stopping the motorcycle and getting off, Tony knocked on the door. Tony say, Assalamualaikum. Mother and father Tony answer, Waalaikumsalam. Tony say, why did you come home is so late? Tony answer, Mom, I go to Ega home first. Mother and father Tony say, alright then. Go to take a shower and rest. Tony answered, yes, Mom and Dad. After that, Tony went straight to his room, take a shower and rest.
Next day, Tony and Ega wake up and ready to go to school. After school, they plan to go to farmer house. At Tony's house, his mother woke him up to get ready for school. Mother Tony say, "Tony, wake up. You have to go to school or you'll be late." Tony answer, "Yes, Mom, I'm awake." After that, Tony get up and took a shower. After finish his shower, Tony came up his room and had breakfast in the dining room. Tony say, "Mom, Dad, Mom, you won't forget, right? After I get home from school, we're going to farmer house." Mother and father Tony answer, "Yes, we won't forget." Tony say, "Okay, thank you, father and mother. I'm going to school now." Father and mother Tony answer, "Okay, be careful." Tony say, "Yes." After finish breakfast, Tony went to the garage to take his motorcycle. Before leaving, he called Ega. It turned out the Ega was still sleeping. But then Ega answered the phone. Tony say, "Hello Ega, where are you?" Ega answer, "I'm still at home." Tony say, "Are you going to school?" Ega answer, "I'm of course." Tony say, "Okay." Ega say, "Pick me up, okay?" Tony answer, "Okay." After ending the call, Tony got on his motorcycle and went to Ega house to pick me up.
After husband Tony called, Ega woke up immediately and finished his shower. His mother called him. Mother Ega say, "Ega, come and have breakfast." Ega answer, "Yes, Mom." Ega say goodbye to the mother. Ega say, "I'm going to go school now." Mother Ega answer, "Okay, be careful." Ega answer, "Okay." Ega say, "Assalamualaikum." Mother Ega answer, "Waalaikumsalam." After that, Tony arrived at Ega house and stopped the motorcycle. Motorcycle stopped. Tony say, "Come on, Ega, let's go to school." Ega answer, "Let's go." After that, Tony and Ega went to school by motorcycle. When they arrived to school, they went into their classroom and saw their classmate. Tony opened the door and entered with Ega. They closed the door. Tony and Ega say, "Hello, friend." Friend answer, "Hello, Tony and Ega." After that, the teacher come in. Teacher opened the door and the lesson began. When the lesson ended, the teacher left the classroom and class finished.
After that, Tony and Ega went home riding a motorcycle. Before going home, Tony first took Ega to her house. Soon they arrived at Ega house. Tony stopped a motorcycle. Motorcycle stopped. Ega said, "Thank you, Tony, for taking my home." Tony answered, "You are welcome." Well, then I go home now. Ega said, "Okay, take care." After that, Tony went straight to his house. Enter her house and knocked on the door. Ega say, Assalamualaikum mom. Mother Ega answer, Waalaikumsalam. After greeting her mother and getting a reply, Ega went inside the house. Ega say, Mom, so today we're going to apologize at the mango farmer house, right? Mother Ega answer, yes, Mom remembers. We'll go after you finish taking a bath and getting ready. Mother Ega say, oh yes, don't forget to call Tony so we can go together to the mango farmer house. Ega answer, okay mom, I call Tony so we can go together. After that, Ega went to a room and got ready. Meanwhile, Tony arrived at his house. He his motorcycle into the garage and turned it off. Then he inside the house.
Tony say, Assalamualaikum, mother, father. Mother and father Tony answer, Waalaikumsalam. Tony say, Mom, Dad, you still remember that today we're going to mango farmer house to apologize, right? Mother and father Tony answer, yes, we remember. We'll go after you finish taking a bath and getting ready. And Mother Tony say, and don't forget a call to Ega so we can go together to the farmer house. Tony answer, yes mom, I go to get ready. Mother say, alright. After that, Tony went to his room to get ready. Then he called Ega, so they go together to the farmer house, asking his father a car. Ega phone rang. Ega say, who calling me? She looked at her phone screen and saw Tony's name. She immediately answered the call. Tony say, Ega, you and mother ready? Ega answer, yes, my mother and I ready. Tony say, alright then. If you ready, my parents and I will pick you up by car so we can go together. Ega answer, oh okay, my mother and I will at home. After that, Tony and Ega ended the call. Tony then told his parents that he had informed Ega that they would pick her and her mother. Tony say, Mom, Dad, I told Ega that will pick her and her mother up. Mother and father Tony answer, alright then. Let's go to Ega house to pick them up. After that, Tony and mother and father go into the car, and the car drove over toward Ega house. Ega also went to tell her mother that Tony and mother Tony will pick him up. Suddenly, Mother Ega called to Ega. Mother Ega say, "Are you ready?" Ega answer, "Yes, Mom, I'm ready." Mother Ega say, "Alright then, let's go. Let's go to farmer house." Ega answer, "Mom, we were told to. Why? Because Tony and Mother and Father Tony will pick up us." Mother Ega say, "Oh, alright then."
After that, Tony and his parents arrived at Ega house. Tony car stop. Tony say, Father, please wait for a moment. I want to call Ega and Mother." Ega and his mother. Mother Tony answer, "Alright, we will wait in the car." Then Tony get out of the car and knocked on Ega door. Tony say, "Assalamualaikum." Ega answer, "Waalaikumsalam." Tony say, "Ega, let's go to the farmer house if you and your mother are ready." Tony say, "Alright then, let's go to my car. My parents are waiting inside." Ega answer, "Let's go to your car." After that, Tony, Ega, and Mother Ega went to Tony father car and got into the car. Then Tony, Ega, and their parents arrived the Minggu farmer house. Then get the car. Tony and his parents walked there, followed by Ega and his mother. When they arrived in front of the Minggu farmer house, Father Tony knocked on the door. Father Tony say, "Assalamualaikum." The farmer answer, "Waalaikumsalam." "Oh, is it?" The farmer opened the door and saw Tony, Ega, and his parents. He invited them to come inside, and they entered the house. Then Tony apologized on behalf of Tony and Ega for stealing the mangoes the day before. Father Tony say, "Farmer, I'm Father Tony. I want to apologize for the mistake that Tony and Ega made." Farmer answer, "Yes, sir. I have forgiven them. My advice for you two is never do it again. You went mango, you should ask politely." Tony and Ega say, "Thank you for giving us and for your advice." Father Tony say, "Thank you very much. Now we will go home." The farmer answer, "Yes, you are welcome. Please be careful on the way." Father Tony said, "Thank you. Excuse us." "Assalamualaikum." The farmer answered, "Waalaikumsalam."
And the car drove toward Ega's house. Ega also went to tell her mother that Tony and Mother Tony would pick him up. Suddenly, Mother Ega called to Ega. Mother Ega say, "Are you ready?" Ega answer, "Yes, Mom, I'm ready." Mother Ega say, "Alright then, let's go to farmer house." Ega answer, "Mom, we were told to. Why? Because Tony and Mother and Father Tony will pick up us." After that, Tony, Ega, and their parents went back to the car and went home. Before going home, Tony and his parents took Ega and his mother Ega home first. When they arrived at house Ega, thank you for taking us home. We will go home now. Mother Ega said, yes, please be careful. Mother Tony answered, thank you. Assalamualaikum. Ega and mother answered, Waalaikumsalam. After that, Tony and Ega and his mother entered the house. Mother Ega said, Ega go to room and take rest. Ega answered, yes mom, I go to my room and rest. Then Ega went to his room and sleep. After that, Tony and parent his house. Father Tony parked the car in the garage. Father Tony said, let's go out. We have arrived. Mother Tony answered, yes dear. Tony, let's go out. Tony answered, yes mom and dad. They got out the car and went into the house. Mother and Father Tony say, Tony, to your room, take a rest. Tony answered, yes mom and dad, I will go to my room. Then Tony went to his room and rested. Dah, selesai.
The next day, Tony and Ega wake up, go to school. Ega stay for night at Tony's house. Tony and Ega wake up by Mother Tony. Mother Tony say, Tony, Ega wake up. You have go to school. Tony answer, yes mom, I will wake up now, go to school. Ega answer, yes auntie, I'm wake up now. After that, Tony and Ega get up and went straight to the bedroom to take a shower. After finish their shower, they got dressed and came out of the room to have breakfast. Mother Tony say, "Me Ega, let's have breakfast first before going to school." Tony answer, "Yes, mom." Ega answer, "Yes, auntie." Before Tony and Ega start breakfast, Tony phone rang. It was his auntie. So Tony answer. Auntie say, "Assalamualaikum Tony." Tony answer, "Waalaikumsalam auntie." Auntie say, "Tony, may I ask for your help?" Tony answer, "Oh yes auntie, I will try to find some." Auntie say, "Okay, thank you." Tony answer, "You are welcome auntie." Auntie say, "Alright, I will end the call now." Assalamualaikum. Tony answer, "Yes auntie." Yes auntie. Waalaikumsalam. After finish the phone call, Tony and Ega had breakfast and went to school together by motorcycle. After that, Tony and Ega arrived to school into their classroom. When they reached the door, the open went inside and closed the door. After entering the classroom, then greeted their friend. Tony and Ega say, "Hello guys." Friend answer, "Hello Tony and Ega." After greeting their friend, they sat in their own seats. Then the teacher came in. The teacher opened the door, entered the classroom, and closed the door. The teacher walked to the desk, and the lesson began. After the lesson finished, the teacher left classroom. After school, they went home. Before going home, Tony told Ega about the phone call from his auntie the morning. Tony said, Ega, my auntie asked me to some mango. Ega answered, where will they find mango and what the for? Tony said, I don't know where to find. They are for the auntie. They are for my auntie. Oh, she is craving mango. Ega answered, oh, I see. But where will we get the mango? Tony said, I don't know either. After talking, they walked to the parking area. Ega said, Tony, look, there are mangoes over there. Tony answered, where? Ega said, there. Tony answered, oh yes, but those are school mango. What if gets scolded? Ega said, yes, that's true. How about we ask permission from the principal? Tony answered, oh, that's a good idea.
After that, Tony and Ega went to the principal office to ask for permission to pick the mangoes. They arrived at the office and knocked on the door. Tony and Ega say, Assalamualaikum. Principal answer, Waalaikumsalam. And Ega say, we want to ask for permission, sir. Tree at the back of the school. Principal answer, what for? Mangoes are still very young. Tony say, my auntie is craving young mangoes, sir. I don't have mangoes at home. Ega say, so we pick just a few mangoes for a Tony auntie? Principal answer, oh, I see, alright. Principal answer, oh, I see, alright. You might pick home. You might pick some mangoes, but not too many, okay? Tony and Ega say, okay, sir, thank you very much. We will only pick up few. After that, Tony and Ega picked some mangoes and brought them home. They went to their uncle's house to deliver the mangoes. When they arrived, they knocked on the door. Tony and Ega say, Assalamualaikum. Uncle and Auntie answer, Waalaikumsalam. Tony and Ega, please come in. We only come to the left ask for this morning. Auntie say, oh, thank you, Tony and Ega, for me. Uncle asks, where did you get the mangoes from? Tony and Ega answer, we pick them at school, and we already asked permission from the principal. Uncle say, oh, I see. Thank you very much. Tony and Ega answer, you are welcome, Uncle. We will go home now. For finding mangoes of Assalamualaikum. Uncle and Auntie answer, Waalaikumsalam. After delivering the mangoes, Tony and Ega went to home. Tony took Ega home first, and then Tony arrived safely at his house. Okay, everyone, that is the of our videos assessment about the story Tony and Ega picking mangoes. We would also like to say thank you to our teacher Muhammad Husnu MPD for giving us a video assessment. Before this, we could not speaking English well, but now we can speak English better. Even though there are still some mistakes in our pronunciation. I'm Satyana Azlin Suryati and
I'm Nurlela Maulida.
say thank you very much. Bye bye.